Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset Sierra Chart. In this walkthrough, we'll clear out locally stored chart data and return the platform's preferences to a fresh state by removing its main configuration file. This can help if your charts behave unexpectedly, settings seem tangled, or you simply want a clean slate. Keep in mind, a reset like this affects only your local setup. It doesn't cancel services or change anything on your brokerage side. Begin by opening the Sierra Chart desktop application. Give it a moment to load completely so all menus and windows are active. If any charts or chart books open automatically, that's fine. Just let them finish loading so the next actions apply properly. Next, move to the top menu bar and select Edit. This is where Sierra Chart provides tools for managing chart data. From the Edit menu, choose Delete All Data. You may see a confirmation prompt. Approving this clears locally stored market data associated with your charts. Think of it as removing cached history so the platform can rebuild it later from your data source. This is useful for correcting odd gaps, mismatched bars, or lingering artifacts that don't match the live feed. With the chart's local data cleared, the second part of the reset is to refresh the program's core preferences. Open your File Explorer and navigate to your main system drive, usually labeled Local Disk C. In there, locate the Sierra Chart installation folder. The name typically includes Sierra Chart and sits on the C drive by default unless you chose a custom install location. Inside that folder, look for a file named sierra4.config. This file stores many of your platform preferences, window layouts, toolbar arrangements, and certain user interface choices. Deleting it does not remove your chart books or market data files. It simply forces Sierra Chart to recreate a fresh, default configuration the next time it starts. If you're curious, this is similar to resetting an application's settings back to factory defaults without uninstalling anything. Once you've located sierra4.config, delete it. You can right-click and select Delete or press the Delete key. If your system asks for permission, confirm to proceed. That's all that's required for the settings reset. You've now cleared local chart data and removed the primary configuration file. The next time you open Sierra Chart, it will launch with default settings and rebuild data as needed from your provider. This clean baseline often resolves stubborn display issues, inconsistent behavior, or layout problems, giving you a stable foundation to configure the platform exactly how you want.